So just see, I am starting. Okay, now visible or not? Okay, so now don't shout, just listen. Now just see, we are in the circulatory system. So how many parts of circulatory system was? There was three parts. There were three parts. First was blood. Second was blood vessels. And what is the third part? That is the most important part. That is means this part, that is called heart. Heart is the boss of circulatory system. Okay, so this is the most important organ of human body. Okay, so today I will teach the heart. Okay, so let me explain first what is the heart. Everything is written as such, you should write. What is the heart? Heart is four chambered pumping organ. What is this one? Heart is nothing but a four chambered pumping organ. Okay, hello, yes, it is clear. Okay, so heart don't okay, I am muting everyone now. Okay, okay, I muted everyone. Okay, so just see here, heart is the four chambered pumping organ which beats continuously and transport blood and other substances dissolved into it. So basically, what is the heart? It is nothing but a four chambered pumping organ. Four chambered pumping organ which beats continuously and transport blood and other substances dissolved into it. Okay. Now just try to understand. So one thing is sure, that heart is nothing but a pumping organ. What is this one? Pumping organ. Why it is called pumping organ? Because it pumps the blood throughout the body. Okay. Now next question is what is the location of heart? So heart located in the chest cavity with its lower tip slightly tilted towards left. Okay, so just see, its lower tip is slightly tilted towards left. Okay, no issue. Okay, so heart is located in the chest cavity. Where it is located? It is located in the chest cavity. Okay, now next one thing is, the most important thing is, heart has got four chambers. How many chambers heart has got? It has got four chambers. So do you think that all chambers are what to say means open? No, they are separated by one structure called septum. So the left and right part of the heart is separated by septum. Hence, oxygen rich blood and carbon dioxide rich blood does not mix. Okay, just see, actually our body requires oxygen rich blood. So the oxygen rich blood must not mix with the carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, so what it should be? It should be separated, means oxygen rich blood and carbon dioxide rich blood, they must be separated. So heart, all chambers, they are separated by septum. Now just see, name of chambers of heart. How many chambers of heart is there? There are four chambers in the heart. How many chambers? Four chambers. So basically I am writing into two parts, right chambers and left chambers. How many chambers? Two chambers, right chambers and left chambers. So in right chambers, two chambers are there. They are right atrium and right ventricle. Okay, right atrium and right ventricle. And left chambers also has got two chambers. that is left atrium and left ventricle. Now try to understand right atrium and left atrium. They are called atria. Right ventricle and left ventricle, they are called ventricles. Okay. I hope that you are understanding. Okay. Understanding or not? Now just see. Atria and atrium. Atrium is singular. If you are talking of one particular atrium, means chamber, so that is atrium. If you are talking of both, then it becomes plural, that is atria. So don't get confused. Atrium is the singular and atria is the plural. Okay, no issue. Now just try to understand. In right chamber, impure blood or carbon dioxide rich blood flows. Okay, and its color is blue. In left chamber, pure blood or oxygen rich blood flows. Its color is red. Okay, so just see. Now I will show you the diagram of heart. Just see. See here. This is the section of human heart. What is this one? This is the section of human heart. You can see clearly. Am I correct or not? And you have to make its diagram also. Okay. So just see here. Now red color and blue color is shown or not? Red color and blue color. So the red color, that is left part. Okay. Blue color, that is the right part. Okay. So just see, right atrium, right ventricle, they are blue in color. So what kind of blood this one? This is carbon dioxide rich blood. And the left portion, just see here. I will show you. See, what about this one? This area, this is blue color. This is carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay. Okay. Am I audible? Am I audible or not? Hello? Okay. Now see, again see, this is red color. This is red color. Okay. So upper portion, this is left atria. Now downside, this is left ventricle. This side, what is there? This is right ventricle. This is upper side. This is right atrium. It is written there. So the red color, that is oxygen rich blood. Blue color, that is carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay. So just see, and their diagram you have to make. And now you can see, just see, between, see here, see, this chamber and this chamber, they are separated by this septum. Partition is there. Just see, they, in human heart, there is a special feature. Carbon dioxide rich blood and oxygen rich blood, they do not mix with each other because of this septum. So just try to understand. Now very clear cut diagram is there. Okay, nobody should chat. Okay, so this is the section of human heart. Okay, now just see, upper, we can write in another way also. Just see, upper chamber of heart, lower chamber of heart, right chambers of heart, left chamber, means there are different ways. Okay, so as per, see, if I am talking of upper chambers of heart, so these two chambers will come, this one and this one. So what is this one? Right atrium and right ventricle. Okay, right atrium and left ventricle, they will come. Lower portion means right ventricle and left ventricle will come. Okay, but it is better to, whatever way I have written on the blackboard, that is correct. Right chambers and left chambers. I will write that one also, upper chambers and lower chambers. But here I have to tell that in which part of the heart oxygen rich blood is flowing, and in which part of the heart carbon dioxide rich blood is flowing. That is why I classify the heart in this way, right chambers and left chambers. Okay, so I hope that you understood. Okay, so let me now little bit do like that. Okay, so just see, Is it everything is visible? Now, right side of the blackboard is visible to you or not? Check this one. Right atrium and left atrium, they are called atria. Right ventricle and left ventricle, they are called ventricles. Okay. Now, right chambers, what is written just below? Impure blood or carbon dioxide rich blood flows and its color is blue. It is written pure blood or oxygen rich blood flows in left chambers of heart. Okay. So I hope that you understood this one. No issue. Okay. Now just try to understand. Now I will apply the color mic now and we'll go towards the blackboard. Okay. Now just see. I will explain in terms of upper chambers and lower chambers. Okay. So don't get confused. Okay. I hope that you have written. You have written or not? Okay. Have you written? Please indicate me. Have you written? Okay. So just see. Write fast. Still I am giving you time. Still I am giving you time. Just write. Write down this one. Hello. Okay. So now everybody, nobody is waiting in the lobby. Okay. Okay. Write down. Write down. Don't worry. I will not rub. First you complete. Okay. Now just see. Will teach you the function of heart also. Will teach you the function of heart. And before teaching the function of heart, just see. You complete. Everybody should complete. Okay. Just see here. Okay. Just see. The way I have written, in the same way you should write. This is right atrium, okay. This is right ventricle. This is left atrium. This is left ventricle. So just see. Right ventricle and left ventricle, they are called ventricles. Right atrium and left atrium, they are called atria. Okay. So have you written or not? Okay. And now just see. Now I will rub now. Okay. So allow me to rub. Okay. Can I rub now? Hello. Okay. So just see here. I may write this one in this way also. Just see. Rub this one. Upper chambers. Upper chambers. Right here. Upper chambers. Okay. So in upper chambers, what will come? Right atrium and right ventricle. Right atrium and left right atrium and left ventricle. Now in lower chambers, which will come? Which will come? Just lower chambers. So just see here. Here what will come? Right atrium, right atrium and left atrium. Right atrium, sorry, lower chambers. See, upper chambers, what you have written? Right atrium and left ventricle. Okay. So here left atrium, and right ventricle. Right ventricle. Correct? Now see, right atrium, left atrium, same thing. Left ventricle, right ventricle, ventricles. Okay. But this carbon dioxide rich blood and oxygen rich blood, that description will not come this time. Okay. This description is valid when heart is written in the form of right chambers and left chambers. Okay. So the left part, pure blood. Now just see. See, if you are writing in this way, so left ventricle and left atrium, pure blood. Here pure blood. Okay. Right atrium and right ventricle, what would be there? Impure blood would be there. So both way you can write. Okay. I hope that you understood this one. Okay. And now just see. Let's come back to the function of heart. What is that one? Function of heart. Okay. Am I visible? Am I visible now? Okay. Just I have removed the color. Huh? Just a minute. Right atrium and correct. Just a minute. Let me. Right atrium and left atrium. Let me correct. Yes, yes, yes. That has happened. I will correct it. Just see. Right atrium and right atrium and left atrium. Right atrium and left atrium. Atrium. And here what is there? This is right, left atrium, right ventricle. Write down here. Right ventricle. Right ventricle and left ventricle. Okay? Left ventricle. Okay? No issue? Yes. Now it is correct or not? Spurti, it is correct now? Hello? Yes. It is correct now? No issue? Okay. So now, hello? Now just see. Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. So right ventricle, left ventricle, they are called ventricles. And left, let me change one more thing. Let me change one more thing. What is that one? See, this one. Now, this one will be here. This and this ventricle. This and this called atrium. Okay? No problem at all. Now just see here. Function of heart. What is that one? Function of heart. Now I want now place. So I will run this one. Okay, just see. See here. See. Now what is the function of heart? Just see. See, I will show you one more diagram and then I will explain you the function of heart. Okay, just see here. Okay, see this diagram. Okay, okay, I am removing the color mic. See, okay, am I audible and visible? Hello. Okay, see this diagram. Everybody see this diagram. Okay, this is the schematic diagram of circulation. Okay, just see. You will understand if you want to understand the function of the heart, then you should see this diagram. Now try to understand. Now heart is also there. Okay, see the function of heart. What is the first function of heart? Just try to understand. Left part of heart receive oxygen rich blood from pulmonary veins, comes from lungs and pumps it different parts of body by arteries. Okay, just see now. Once again, left part of heart, just see. Now see, let me make the some changes. Okay, now I will rub everything. Just this side also I will rub. Okay, see, this is the function of heart. Just see. Okay, see the function of heart. Function of heart. Okay, heart. First one. First function of heart is left part. Am I audible and visible? Okay. Am I audible and visible? Okay. Okay. So just see. Let me rub this side also. Okay. Just see. Left part of heart receives oxygen rich blood comes from lungs through pulmonary vein pulmonary veins and pumps it to different parts of body through arteries arteries. Okay, yes. Am I audible and visible? Hello. Yes, yes. Now visible. Just see. Left part of heart receives oxygen rich blood, comes from lungs through pulmonary veins and pumps it to different parts of body through arteries. Second function of heart. What is this one? Right right part of heart receives receives carbon dioxide rich blood carbon dioxide rich blood from different parts of body from different different parts of body receives carbon dioxide rich blood from different parts of body through through veins and send it to send की जगह just write pumps it to lungs through pulmonary vein pulmonary artery to pulmonary artery for purification 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 or oxygenation. Okay, so basically heart is doing these two works. Okay, am I audible and visible? Hello. Am I audible and visible? Okay. Now just see. Now write down the homework also, and afterwards I will give you the time to ask your doubts. So homework. Homework. First one. What is heart? What is heart? Okay. What is heart? That is the first question. Okay. Question number two. Question number two. Write the name of different chambers of heart. Chambers of chambers of heart. Okay. Chambers of heart. Okay. Question number third. Okay. Next one is write the function of heart. Write the function of heart. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Draw neat and labeled diagram of section of human heart. Section of human heart. Okay, section of human heart. Okay, one more question is there. What is that question? Just a minute. Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Draw schematic diagram of schematic diagram of circulation of blood. So these are the questions. Okay. Some small questions are also there. Okay. But I hope that you will understand and do it. Okay. Now just see here. Okay. I am removing the mic. Now unmuting everyone. You can ask your doubts. Okay. Okay. So I have unmuted everyone. Okay. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Okay. Ask. I have unmuted. Hello. 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 I have unmuted everyone. Please ask your doubts. Hello. Hello. You can't hear me? Hello. 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 Yes. Yes. Now I can hear you. Yes. So now I have completed the function of heart. Okay. If you want to understand the function of heart, just refer this diagram. Just see. See this diagram. Okay. This is the left part of heart. This part is the left part of heart. Okay. Now just see. Now this part of heart is receiving blood from the lungs through pulmonary vein. See, just see. Pulmonary vein is originating from the, just see, means bringing blood from the lungs. Okay, and it is reaching here, and now this heart will pump this blood to different parts of body through artery. Now just see, now again by moving to the all parts of body, this is veins, again blood is going to the right parts of this heart. See, now this is carbon dioxide rich blood, so heart is pumping through pulmonary artery to lungs for the purification or oxygenation. Again same blood will come here in left part of heart, again it will go here different parts of body, again it will come back to the right. This is the right part of heart, this is the left part of heart. Okay, everybody understood? No, so this is not a diagram of heart. This is the schematic diagram of flow of blood. Heart diagram is this one. This is tilted towards the left. Okay. Yes. That is the schematic diagram of circulation of blood. And that is why in the same way it is not written in the NCERT book. You should write function in this way only. Just see, the left part of heart receives oxygen rich blood comes from lungs through pulmonary vein. That is why all veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood, but pulmonary vein carry oxygen rich blood. I hope that you understood this one now. Pulmonary vein and pumps different parts of body through arteries. Okay, this pulmonary vein is carrying oxygen rich blood from the left part of the heart. Left part, sorry, is bringing pure blood or oxygen rich blood from the lungs. Second one is the right part of the heart receives carbon dioxide rich blood from different parts of body through veins and pumps it to lungs through pulmonary artery for purification or oxygenation. Okay, now question also I have written. Okay, what is heart? Write the name of different chambers of heart, write the function of heart, draw neat and label diagram of section of human heart, draw schematic diagram of circulation of blood. Okay, so everybody is understood? Everybody understood this one? Okay, now some small questions are also there. Write the chambers of heart where pure blood is only flowing or pure blood only stored. So that is the left part. In left part, how many chambers are there? Two chambers are there. What is this one? Left atrium and left ventricle. Correct or not? So I may ask in this way also. Am I correct or not? So if you want to write in that way question, you should write name the hearts of, means name the chambers of heart where pure blood stored. Write the chambers of heart where carbon dioxide rich blood flows are stored. Flows are stored with same thing. Okay. Name the different chambers of heart. Okay. Any doubt? Everybody is satisfied? It is not mixing at all. Now human body has got very well developed circulatory system. They are not at all mixing together. Just see, even in the heart, what is there? Septum is there. I have explained earlier only. Now see, left part and right part of heart is completely separated by one septum. Okay, one partition. Okay, so they are not mixing with each other. Okay. See, just see, in higher class you will study, there are different kinds of animals. Just see, human and vertebrates. Vertebrates means mammals. We are the mammals. We have got the complete separation of heart chambers. Some of the animals, this separation is not there. This separation is not there. Okay? Hello? Okay. So now time is up now. Anybody has got any doubt? Over? The- And hello? Huh? Just see. Try to understand. In most part of the body, what is there? Oxygen rich blood is only flowing, na? See, if your body will not get the oxygen rich blood, then how you will work? Correct? And this is the only reason, that is why I told that arteries are found in the upper skin. Okay? And the moment minor cut is there, red blood is flows. Correct? Spurti, any doubt? Everything understood? Okay. So sometime I am committing mistake, but I am committing mistake because of this Webex. I have to come towards the mobile and see whether I am audible or not. Sometime automatically I am getting muted. Just see. Now it is over. Okay. Now just see. Okay. So thank you. I am just ending the meeting.